What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have Challenger Madison today, and today we're playing a board game, Raceway Alley. It is a bowling board game, so we'll be battling it out, Raceway Alley 1v1.
Who do you think is gonna win? So we're determining on who goes first in the game. So the person with the highest pinfall goes first. If we both strike, we're just gonna keep on going. I won the roll off, so we're gonna roll D4 in order to figure out if we're gonna move right or left, even number right, odd number left. So yeah. 3, so I move left.
You gotta go 5 left. Total pins for the frame is how many you move on the board.
Whoa. Oh.
Maybe I want to just get 8, because that'll bring me to the shortcut.
Yeah, but in order to go across a shortcut, you have to strike.
Okay. Roll a 3, so I'm moving left. 7. What?
So you have to move 7 left?
What? That's a lot.
And that's a fat 0.
Let me just move my race car 10.
That's so not fair. Don't knock my car. Moving left.
1, which is left?
Yep, odd number left.
Ooh, turbo.
Turbo
token. So when you strike, you actually get a turbo token, and a turbo token can be used at any time to move your car an additional space per however many turbo tokens you have. So if you have 3 turbo tokens because you've struck 3 times in the past and you wanted to move 13 spaces, you could strike and then use 3 turbo tokens to move 13 spaces. Left. 2. Okay. Got him. Turbo token. Turbo token.
And I'm going left. 5. Whoa.
Just the head pin by itself.
That wasn't my best effort. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Speed boost, 1, 2. Just also.
I'm gonna roll in backwards order. I'm gonna move 3 to the left. Didn't move my eyes far enough left. I'm going for it though. Let me just move my little race car 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Speed boost.
7.
7.
I don't have a. Did it fall?
So there's also a little bit of a pit lane, which is more like a detour off of the main race course, which you have to take every single lap, with the exception of the final lap, because you got to cross the finish line. So I got to move 8 to the right. I rolled an even number and then an 8. Turbo token. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 left. Not that huge of a move.
Turbo token. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5 left. Oh no! But I big Ford again. I'm just glad that Madison gets to go first. That way when I match her frame, I already know where to move my piece. So now that we're starting lap 2, Madison's gonna switch from D8, which is an 8-sided die, all the way up to a 10-sided die, which means it's gonna get a little more challenging because the moves you make with your feet might be a little bigger.
Okay, so I'm moving 1 to the left.
I'm moving to the left. 9. If you guys want to buy our merch like this, or some of the new designs we got, you can check it out at thehousebowling.com. A shameless plug. I'm gonna throw this one hard. Oh no. Oh no. We literally
Can you stop hitting me? Unbelievable.
Hello. To the right. 0.
10.
0 to the right.
No, it's right to the 10.
I think it's 0. I just moved 9 left last time. Just a 19 board swing in 1 roll. Good thing I'm only trying to get 9 here.
No, no 9 for you.
Shucks. 1 turbo token.
To the right. 1. I just want to trip a 4-pin. Really think I was wrong?
No,
on
I
how to
thought
count?
you were 1 short.
Oh.
1 to the left, so left.
No, you're moving left. 2.
Oh, freak. Hung up on the hand a little bit. This might be the first lead change because I might not make this. Speed boost. Doop.
I'm moving left 5.
Yeesh.
I can't even pick this up with this pair ball.
Shooter.
Let's go. If anybody tells you that you shouldn't have it at your 3-6-10, prove them wrong.
Moving left. 4. Why are all my moves to the freaking left? Chucked a little early. A little too early.
I'm saving up all those. To the left.
To the left. 2 to the left. 1. Tried to move my eyes a little further left. I did. Okay, so I'm gonna use a turbo token.
Okay, go ahead.
Would have been here, which I would have had to stop on the next turn, so I'm using a turbo token to join Madison on lap 3.
Just know that we're doing the 20-side die.
Basically, from lap 2 to lap 3, you go from a 10-sided to a 12-sided die. We're skipping lap 3, so we're going from 10 to 12.
Put water in a bucket and then fuck it. I'm moving left 2.
How did that not strike? Hell, you gotta shoot a 10-pin too. 12?
It's my fingers. I don't think I pick it up. I really wanted 8. $19.
Nothing like moving 19 to the left when I'm only standing on 17.
It gets scary after a while.
It's like, 2, 4, 10,
I
9.
fell doing this one, so I'm not looking forward to it.
Let me also grab one of these puppies.
You're in front of me.
Oh, that's right. I'm in the lead. Hold on, hold on. The blue car is in the lead.
I'm moving right. 16. Whoa. Woo.
Didn't like it.
Take that.
Let the big dog eat. Moving 7 left. Why can't I move right? So many moves to the left. 7 left.
No strike.
Can't stop.
That was a
won't
good shot.
stop. 13 to the right.
13. Huh. That's what I wanted to see.
Are you falling apart in the back half of the game?
What? No.
Zinger.
9, 10.
Oh, yay.
But I think I'm going to use 4 of my turbo tokens. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put right there.
Moving left 5.
How do you feel about that?
I would so much rather move right than have to just throw it a million moves left. Every move is to the left. Everything.
No.
I need you to like really mess up here. You're moving right, 12. Give him a late game breakdown. You're up 4 spaces.
I'm winning.
By how many?
3 or 4. 4. Because I used turbo tokens. Because I wasn't going to get the speed boost. That's it.
She's up 4 spots. 3 turns to go. I'm gonna need some help.
It's annoying.
Thought you were getting 3 there.
Nope. And we don't have to go in the pit lane because it's the last lap. I'm just going to use these 3 right now.
Oh, move
Oh
right.
my gosh, you're moving right. 12.
12 to the right. I haven't done it yet. I think I've moved right like once or twice throughout the game, and it's been low numbers. Not this time. It's 12 to the right.
Is it settling in right now?
It's settling in the fact that I can't win. Like, hey, you struck too many times. I didn't get the same amount of turbo tokens.
Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Want to use your turbo tokens?
How does the game end? Give me an ending to this game.
Whoever just crosses the finish line first.
Man, that first roll was important. That 6-8 killed me at the beginning of the game. What? I hope you get 2-0.
Left.
$20 to the left.
20 to the left.
20 to the left. She needs 4 to win. Yeah.
I didn't really care where it went. I was just like, just get more than 4. It's my biggest accomplishment in my life.
Do you have anything you want to say to your fans?
Nope. Did she? What did we just hit the goodie?
All right, guys, thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching again all the way to the end. This was Raceway Alley. If you guys want to get yours, we'll leave a link down below in the description. And once again, Madison whipped me. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.